To send money from Pakistan to Morocco, you need to follow a series of steps. First, choose a money transfer service that operates in both countries, such as Western Union, MoneyGram, or Xoom. These services have websites, mobile apps, and agent locations where you can initiate the transfer. Next, gather the required information, including the recipient's full name, address, and contact details in Morocco. You will also need to provide your own identification, such as a Pakistani passport or national ID card, and proof of address. Now, decide on the transfer method, which can be online, via mobile app, or in person at an agent location. If you choose to transfer online or via mobile app, you will need to create an account with the service provider and link your payment method, such as a bank account or credit card. Once you have set up your account, enter the recipient's details and the amount you want to send in Pakistani rupees. The service provider will convert the amount to Moroccan dirhams and display the exchange rate and any transfer fees. Review the transaction details carefully before confirming the transfer. The recipient will receive the money in their bank account, at an agent location, or via mobile wallet, depending on the options available in Morocco. It is essential to compare the exchange rates and fees of different service providers to get the best deal. Additionally, ensure that the recipient has the necessary identification and documents to receive the money in Morocco. In conclusion, sending money from Pakistan to Morocco is a straightforward process that requires some planning and research. By choosing a reliable service provider, gathering the necessary information, and following the steps outlined above, you can securely and efficiently transfer money to your loved ones in Morocco.